Today I'm going to show you how to download EA Sports games on your Windows 10 PC using WSA, which stands for Windows Subsystem for Android. Even though WSA is mainly made for Windows 11, we can still get it working on Windows 10 using a custom version that includes the Play Store. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install APK files on a Windows 10 PC. To begin, we need to enable support for Android apps by installing the Windows subsystem for Android WSA on Windows 10. System requirements. Before proceeding, ensure your PC meets the following requirements: at least 8 GB of RAM, an SSD, a modern processor such as Intel Core i3 8th Gen, AMD Ryzen 3000 or newer. Virtualization must be enabled in your BIOS or UEFI. To check if virtualization is enabled, open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab. Look for Virtualization. It should say Enabled. Step 1. Enable Virtual Machine Platform. Search for Windows Features in the Start menu. In the Windows Features window, check the box for Virtual Machine Platform. Click OK and restart your computer to apply the changes. Step 2. Download and install WSA with Google Play Store. Visit the GitHub page link provided in the video description. Scroll down and download the latest stable WSA build for Windows 10. At the bottom of that page, click on the second download link. This version includes the Google Play Store. After downloading, extract the zip file using 7-zip or WinRAR. Open the extracted folder and double-click the RUNT file to begin installation. Search for your favorite EA Sports game like FIFA Mobile or Madden NFL and just hit install. Once it's installed, open the game from your Start menu under Android apps, log in with your EA account, and start playing. That's it. Now you can enjoy EA Sports games right on your Windows 10 PC using Android apps. Thanks for watching.